Evening, folks. Bobby Two Pops breaks. It is Sunday, January 2nd. We're breaking Box full size helmet. It's a one box break here. We randomed up our 48 remaining box numbers. Number 72 is what we got. Random team sales on your far left. Teams customers have been randomized and alphabetized. We gave you all a chance to trade. Had a couple offers, nothing going down, no, just gonna give her one last check. I'm not seeing anything. God damn it. Well, folks, something a little bit different there. Gonna be BAM, the Ricky Williams, Miami Vice, smoke weed every day, and I'll tell you guys, it looks a lot better in person than it does in, on the screen there, folks. One of the things I do want to point out, guys, there is a little bit of like a gloss run. It's not the paint, it's like the clear. You really don't notice it unless it's like glaring in a bad way there. But you've got Ricky Williams, the smoke weed every day, the Miami Vice paint scheme for Miami. Fuck is Miami? Well, Z gonna take that one, folks. Damn, I actually think your brother wanted that, Z. Well, Kyle, I'm sorry, everybody else there. Z gonna take that, but I think Gabe wanted that, Zach, so ask Z or ask Gabe about that. Alright, Nick, you have a good one. Oh, again, the CH, or the Hilaire. If you're interested in trading the Hilaire for the, Ricky Williams Z, Nick just put that out there. I pulled one of Z's out. Whoop, we get a 5, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 times. Bam. Gonna be Z and Kyle getting the qualifiers there, folks. 5354, Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Bobby Two Pops breaks.